AI agents and agentic AI are two words that have dominated most AI CEOs for the better part of the last year. But what exactly are these agents? And are they supposedly going to take over your job? Find out more in this complete guide. Well, let's take things sequentially, step by step, to get our heads over this. Say you ask ChatGPT about nearby cafes. It very quickly gives you a list of the best outlets nearby. You give ChatGPT an input and it spits out an output. However, if you ask for your work schedule for the next day, it would inevitably fail, as it lacks access to your calendar. We can fix this by adjusting our approach to something called an AI workflow. This means giving AI access to various apps that record your details or preferences. In our case, we would connect our model, GPT-4, to something like Google Calendar to enable personalized answers. Let's take an example. This time, imagine you're a Facebook user posting messages periodically. You can create an AI workflow to partially automate this task as well. You can write a prompt to an AI model, connect it to your knowledge base to list all the main points of your new post. These points can then be forwarded to an LLM like Claude to actually write out the post for you. However, ideally you would review the post and maybe even ask the LLM to rewrite it and make adjustments. This is where Agentic AI steps in. AI agents replicate a task in the same manner as you would approach it. A human would first reason or think about the contents of his knowledge base and then draw a big picture of what an idea he wants to paint. A human would write the draft and review before finally uploading any attachments and publishing the post. That's all for this video, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more intuitive content.